Let's have fun exploring Chattanooga by looking at its cityscape and skyline. Do you know what a cityscape is? Cityscape is the city viewed as a scene of buildings. How about skyline? Skyline is where the earth seems to touch the sky. Let's take an overhead look at Chattanooga from a drone's point of view. See if you can spot familiar buildings like the Tennessee Aquarium. Use your sharp eyes to see favorite destinations like Coolidge Park. Check out the skyline of our mountains, like the amazing view of Elder Mountain. Here we go, time to fly. To celebrate Chattanooga, let's make an art project. We are going to make a collage of torn tissue paper. Here is what you will need: white cardstock or construction paper, scissors, glue stick, and a variety of tissue paper colors. You will need to tear strips of the tissue paper. Think about your scene. What colors do you want to represent in your art? Lay out your scene before gluing it down. I chose a multicolor piece of tissue paper to be the carousel, then green for the park, blue for the Tennessee River, silver for the buildings, brown for Lookout Mountain, an orange sun, and a light blue sky. Now it is time to glue. I glued from the top to the bottom. That is another reason to lay out your scene before gluing. Don't worry about parts going over the edges. After drying, use scissors to trim the excess tissue paper. What a fabulous art piece! We love Chattanooga!